In this video, you will quickly learn how to convert the Google Docs file, okay, you created on the mobile app to PDF without taking much time. Let's just get right into it. To convert Google Docs, all right, you have on mobile to PDF on an iPhone, these are the steps. First is to locate your Google Docs app and tap on it for it to open. Then you can select the plus sign at the bottom right to create a blank document, which after that you can convert to PDF. Or if you have an existing file that you want to convert to PDF, tap on it. So here, that's what I want to do. This file named Making Money is what I want to convert to PDF. So I will tap on it. Okay, so once you find yourself here, tap on the pen like icon at the bottom right. Okay, then this allows you to edit this document further or add anything or remove anything, but that's not what we're interested in here. So tap on the three dots at the top right. When you tap on the three dots at the top right, locate the option for you to share. All right, you can see share and export. Tap on that. When you tap on share and export, you're provided with some options. All right, our interest here is PDF, but we cannot see PDF for the list. All right, so select print. So hold on. All right. So when you select print to be taken to this fresh page, tap on that arrow that points up at the top right. Okay. So I'll tap on that. And when you tap on that, you're provided with some options. You'll be provided with some options on your iPhone. So scroll down. I want to save it to files. So select save to files. When you select save to files, this will be placed on your iPhone's location. If you look at the bottom part, you will see the name of the file, making percent 20 money. You can edit it. I don't want the way it is arranged, so I will tap there and then I will change few things. I want to have only making money or make money, anyone. So let me remove this 20 and percent and then space make money.pdf. All right, so once you're done with editing the file name, tap on save, which is at the top right. And this file is saved in PDF, so you can tap on the tick sign and you go back. Now let's go and check this file on our iPhone. Remember, we saved it in the on my files location or so. Okay, so I will get to home, then I will locate the files app here. So locate the files app on your iPhone and tap on it. All right, so you are placed on my iPhone location. Okay, so you can scroll until you get to the file, or if you have a lot of files here, you use the search, all right, to get to it. So I will tap inside this search area and then I will type the name of the file. I said making money, right? That's the name we gave the file. So let's use it to search for it. Okay, so you can see this has returned making money PDF as one of the stuffs. Okay, there are some files I have here with the name making money, but look at the one we just did now. You see it making money PDF, so I can tap on it for it to open, and that's all. That's what you have. You can zoom it. All right, so that's it. You can zoom it to see it clearly. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of tutorials on software and tech. Okay, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. That's the sign that it solves a problem for you. You can watch this video here to learn more on Google Docs. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.